What's up, guys? Thank you so much for helping the channel grow. It's been growing really fast lately, and I really do want to just throw that out there for you guys because I really couldn't do it without you guys commenting and liking and subscribing the way that you are, and it really helps so much. And I know you probably hear this a million times from every YouTuber out there, but it really does help a lot, guys. Um, but aside from all that lovey-dovey stuff, um, I would like to kind of tell you a little bit about where the channel is going to be going soon. With we have our current series, the How to Build an RTS in Unity, and it's been doing great. You guys have been giving me some awesome feedback, and I plan to keep that series going. Um, we're probably still going to release a video either once a month or once every 2 months, depending on the growth and the following on that series. I also want to introduce a couple new things that I'm going to be doing on the channel. One of them is going to be where I'll play a game and we'll pick a thing that we like about that game, and then we'll hop into Unity and clone that thing so we know how that can be done and pulled over into our own games. Another thing I want to start doing is a couple standalone tutorials. So that way you don't necessarily have to follow a whole series just to uh, learn how to do something. Because a lot of times in the series, we change how we're doing something over time depending on what we decide we want to add to the build, etc. So standalone tutorials are definitely going to be added. Um, and also for patrons, we've got some stuff in the works for you guys. No worries on that. Um, I do want to start allowing some live Ask Me Anythings, which we'll probably do um, periodically. I'm not sure if we want to have a set schedule on that or if it's going to be random. Um, Also, the games that I play and we decide what we want to build, that'll be for patrons to help vote. So I'll live stream it and you guys can join in with me and we can just laugh and have a bunch of fun, figure out what we like about the game, what maybe we don't like about the game, and just pick something to build and it'll be awesome. We all get to just chill and hang out, get to know each other a little bit better. Um, Also, I'm working on setting up a GitHub repo of both the RTS series as well as some standalone stuff, and that's going to be available to you patrons as well. Um, well, only to patrons. Also, there will be a couple private um, standalone tutorials that I don't release to just the public on YouTube that will also be available here on Patreon. We do have some merch in progress right now that we're working on. Um, and we're looking at maybe doing something a little special for you patrons as well, merch wise. So I don't know exactly what that's going to be. Um, Maybe it's going to be a discount, or maybe we'll do some little competitions with you guys and do some free giveaways. Who knows? But either way, I just sincerely wanted to say thank you guys so much for making this possible. And until next time, guys. Peace.